Traders, Sam Shakespeare coming to you live. How's everyone doing today? Happy Tuesday. Alright, just had a little feedback there. Hey Jonathan, how's it going, man? Thanks for the kind words, guys. I appreciate it. Anthony and Jonathan, Dwayne, you guys are rock. You know, you guys, I love doing it. I wouldn't do this stuff if I didn't love it. I enjoy our community, but I definitely like the approach that the VTA has been taking because it's up 20%. Had an amazing night last night, amazing London session, and I'm looking, I'm saying, curiously, we gained exactly 3%. I wonder if that means the auto scale out kicked in, because if you look at the properties here in our money management settings, I've got auto close target at 3%. Sure enough, we made 3%. I wonder if that's what happened. Let's take a look at the experts log. Here it is right there. Achieve daily growth target auto shutoff level. Congrats. So this hit everything open and the close trades from earlier today. So basically we had achieved 3% account growth on the day, and so that, boom, automatically closes all trades. Let's take a look at these then. So basically what do we have? So I remember this is from yesterday, the 15-minute reversal, right? That was our dollar Canada, right? So that was yesterday. So it was this losing trade, which was a reversal, dynamic lot sizing. So we already know that the losers are 1%, right? Because I dynamically lot sized the 5-minute reversal. We can actually look at that loser, even though they're not nearly as fun looking at the losers. So what I'm going to do here is if I right click and I hit open, right, it brings up a window, and then today's date, right, the 19th, I can double click this, right, and it'll bring up everything in a file. So that's also one way to do it, guys. Pound yen, here it is. Yeah. 141.42. The reward per risk was 2.7 to 1. So we were risking 18.1 to target 50. It lost. It took actually a 19, but that was it. So that was the loser, and it made it 1%. See here? It was 0.65 lots, which made 18 pips equal 1%. So we know that was a 1% loss. And the rest of these should have been 2% each, but we know that there was an auto close. So those closed out just because the whole account was up 3. So probably not 2% per trade on this one. In fact, if we're up 3% and we started out with a 1% loss, then all these together were 4%. These are 40 full position pips, right? Because this was 10 full position pips negative, and we ended up net 30 pips. So I mean, you can do some quick, easy math like that. Let's see, euro dollar, and I hope you guys got these same trades. If not, download the settings file. Okay, so euro dollar, here we go. Euro dollar 1 minute dynamic stop is 14 pips on euro dollar, which is 1%. We got 15 risking 14 on euro dollar. Euro yen really loaded up and really paid off nicely. So we'll take a look at the euro yen chart and see what happened there. And then here is our, when it closes out, it closed out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 euro yen trades. It closed out at once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the euro dollar must have closed out before this. Here it is, 543. So just before. This is all at 617. Oh, because it played defense. I see. So it still got us playing defense. The L1, L2 crossed against us on this euro dollar and still got us 15. And we know that was 1%. So euro yen was the big winner last night, and look at that 15-minute chart. So I would say yeah. Let's see, euro yen. We started off with a reversal down here, didn't it? 15-minute reversal. Boom, hit the B2 straight off the bat. This was during rollover, so we didn't get that entry, but wow, a straight shot to the B2. That would have been a nice textbook, gorgeous B2 reversal right there. Had anyone gotten that? All right, so wow, what a day. So we had a 1 minute trend, breakout, and monsters. All right, so this is the one that went on defense. 121.12. What is the timestamp? 10:41. Here it is. This is it. All right, so we're up here. We had the signal here, right? But none of these, see how none of them break above. It comes all the way down, and we don't get dynamic until around here. Boom. So this was the entry. All right, now I've got the L7 as a stop. Right, so it enters here. This black line is the stop loss. I remember we changed this last night from the swing stop. This was a swing stop. If we use the swing stop on this, this would have stopped out, because if we got in here and we looked back 20 candles, but it would have been either this peak or this peak, one of the two. Would have been either that or that, depending on how many look back candles you had. So that would have been busted right here. It would have broke. You know, sometimes the swing stop is a little tight. You know, if you had a 5 or 15 minute trend, that's still a lot of pips. It might be okay, but for the 1 minute trend, I almost think you got to use the L7, and in this case, it definitely worked out. All right, so we got in here. L7's our stop. It never breached the stop. okay? And it started trending. Good, we're good. It's not going to play defense here. It's the L1's above the 2. We're fine. Everything looks good. Now, here though, boom. L1 falls below the L2. All right? And now plus 15 from 12, yeah, 20, there's 28 right there. So you can see the L1 below the L2. When we were plus 15, it exited right here. Let's go ahead and look here at the account though. We're up $2,045 would be the profit on this because we started at 10. And you can see that makes sense, right? Because we're up 20.46%. So we're doing good on that regard. And what I really like about what's going on so far is that I've taken absolutely 0 manual trades, I think, except in the beginning. In the very beginning, we took some manual trades, and I think they just kind of broke even. See, those two were winners, but then there was a loser about the same amount. So 160, 100, that's 260. There's a minus 260, and then I came up on top on this for a good chunk. That is all I've taken for the manual trades, and I like manual trading, but I like better when I don't have to. So pretty good so far to 2021. That doesn't look bad. So if you can get your account looking like this, a nice trajectory like that. So we're going to try to keep that going. And look, this is when I was manual trading. This is when I stopped manual trading. Alright, so this is the pure just letting the VTA do its thing. Now, I don't think I'll be resetting the target levels because we've made 20% already in the first 19 days of January. Not even that many trading days. It's only really been about 2 weeks and a day of trading. The good thing to know is since we're controlling our risk and we have a 2% max drawdown, we're up 20%, so a loss, even a couple losses, won't set us back too far.